I think the new national security law in Hong Kong is very effective in suppressing the acts endangering national security. We have seen prior to its promulgation, organizations promoting Hong Kong independence and those active in seeking foreign interference in Hong Kong affairs were disbanded, and some key figures have already fled to other countries. I think the people and organizations in the past year, they were very active in seeking foreign interference to Hong Kong affairs and support the riots in the past year. I think the objective of these acts is to change Hong Kong from the status of a special administrative region into an independent or semi-independent entity. According to the new law, those who plan, commit or participate in acts of secession will be an offense. We have seen in the past year people try to champion Hong Kong independence and also promote Hong Kong to be separated from part of China. Whether it is by force or not, this will not be allowed and will be prohibited according to the new law.